In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store receipts in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can effortlessly manage your business expenses with precision. Let's delve right into it. First, when you open QuickBooks Online, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu there, which is your main navigation tool within the interface. Locate and click on the option labeled Transactions. This section is where all of your financial activity is housed, making it a crucial part of effective bookkeeping. Once you're in the Transactions area, direct your attention to the Receipts tab. This is your landing zone for receipt management and storage. It's your go-to hub for uploading, reviewing, and organizing your financial records. After opening the Receipts tab, you'll find an option at the top right of your screen that says Upload Receipt. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to add receipts directly from your device, ensuring you keep all necessary documentation neatly compiled within your QuickBooks account. And for those who are integrated with other cloud storage solutions, QuickBooks has an option to facilitate that as well. You'll notice a small icon next to the Upload button, often referred to as a caret icon. By clicking this, you can select Upload from Google Drive, provided you've already connected your Google Drive account. This connectivity means you don't have to juggle between multiple platforms. Everything funnels directly into QuickBooks seamlessly. Once you've uploaded a receipt, it's essential to take a moment to review what you've added. Click on the uploaded receipt to open it and verify the details are correct. Thanks to QuickBooks Smart Technology, the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically fill in the expense details based on the information from the receipt. However, it's important to acknowledge that AI, while quite advanced, isn't infallible. Occasionally, it might misinterpret some details, so a quick check can save headaches down the line. Look over the entries, confirm amounts, dates, and other relevant information to ensure accuracy. And voila, that's it. You've successfully managed to store a receipt in QuickBooks Online. This process might seem simple, but it significantly impacts your efficiency in managing business expenses. By keeping your records organized in this way, you're laying the groundwork for streamlined financial tracking and reporting, which can make all the difference come tax season or during financial audits. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly updating your receipts online can keep your accounts orderly and your mind stress-free. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you conquer your bookkeeping needs with ease.